Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we take you to a timeless colonial retreat in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, the Lavender House by Reveal. Kandy. As you step into the Lavender House, you are instantly transported back in time, with its colonial charm, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. This boutique villa combines history, elegance, and tranquility, the perfect escape for those who love luxury amidst nature. The rooms at the Lavender House feel like a piece of living history, with touches of colonial elegance and modern comfort. Each suite tells a story, offering privacy, charm, and an intimate connection with Kandy's hill country. The culinary journey here is just as memorable, from authentic Sri Lankan flavors to refined international cuisine. Every dish is prepared with care, whether it's a garden breakfast with misty views or an intimate dinner under the stars. Dining at the Lavender House is truly unforgettable. This is the perfect place to slow down, relax, and let nature refresh your soul. Enjoy a dip in the pool, unwind with Ceylon tea in the gardens, or simply soak in the serene atmosphere. Staying here also means you're just a short drive away from Kandy's rich cultural heritage and stunning tea country. The Lavender House by Reveal is more than just a stay. It's a gateway to explore the best of Sri Lanka's hill country. What makes this place truly special is the people. The team here treats you not just as a guest, but as family. It's the personal touches, the smiles, and the care that make every moment at the Lavender House unforgettable. The Lavender House by Reveal is a hidden gem, where colonial charm meets modern luxury, surrounded by Sri Lanka's natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchare for more incredible travel experiences across Sri Lanka. Until next time, Ayu Bawan.